In this time and day, condos' kitchens are much smaller and very compact. So how do we tackle this issue? Keep watching and we will show you how a multi-award-winning ID, Yeo See Wee from Wee Studios, tackle these requirements with finesse and style. Hi guys, welcome back to Design Maven. Besides showcasing fabulous homes, we also share expert tips for your home reno. So if you haven't done so, please do subscribe to us and click on the notification bell for more compelling episodes ahead. In today's episode, we showcase a 3-bidder condo that has been completely overhauled by Wee Studio. In this 1,173 square feet condo at the QUARTZ resides a couple with 2 kids. The design brief was to have a light color palette, an open kitchen to bring in more light and ventilation, fitting feng shui elements and, most important of all, child-friendly aesthetics into the design intent. A clean aesthetic look coupled with layering of greys, high contrasting elements, sexy curves that is child-friendly, oak-colored timber vinyl flooring, and a consistent design language throughout the whole house. This makes the perfect cozy home with good design qualities that is timeless and elegant. The entire wet and dry kitchen was demolished to open up the spaces to let in more light and airflow. Spaces at the yard area was reconfigured to better utilize the back of the house for washing and ironing. The open new kitchen uses clear glass partition to bring in light and keep out the cooking grease. Cleverly concealed storage below the kitchen island houses the shoe cabinet. The daring use of large pattern porcelain tiles demarcates the entrance foyer from the dining, making the kitchen area bigger. The high contrasting combination of the white laminate kitchen and attention-grabbing pattern tiles makes a bold and beautiful statement the minute you step into this home. The existing yard area was fully utilized by enclosing it with zip track. This allows in more light and making the space flow bigger. The common WC was also converted into a laundry area with a washer-dryer. The textile laminate feature wall cladding at the dining and living was created by demolishing the existing living TV wall and leveling them with paneling that mirrors the dining. Curved sides panel walkways creates an environment that's kids-friendly. Cabinets was created at the back of the TV feature wall to maximize storage spaces in the kids' room. The common and master bath uses an interesting combination of 3 types of tiles for a nice layering texture effect. The nice pop of pastel pink ceramic tiles at the vanity gives a nice soothing accent to the grey backdrop of subway and large format porcelain tiles. Feng Shui factors determines the bed facing in this room for the older folks. Available walls was maximized by creating wardrobes and an integrated work desk/TV panel combo. The curved elements in the design intent flows beautifully throughout the house. The master ensuite is draped in sophisticated layers of greys, from the layered headboard, textile laminate, soft furnishings, fittings, to pocket sliding door on a nice timber color vinyl floor. The TV console double up as a working desk for the work from home vibe when needed. The master bathroom was reconfigured to facilitate a more open concept space with existing bathroom doors removed. The new layout enables more light to flow through into the wardrobe area, which can be separated with a concealed sliding pocket door into a dressing corner. Having a neutral grey palette is never boring, as we can see how We Studio executed the design of this turnkey home with perfect finesse. If you have a beautiful home or house that you would like us to feature, do email us in the link below our bio. Do subscribe to us if you haven't done so. Click on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next episodes. Do comment below on what you would like to see more of, or if you have any suggestions. We would definitely be more than happy to hear from you. Till the next fabulous house, this is Adrian Heng from Design Maven signing off. See you guys.